Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you add shapes in Premiere Pro. So guys, as you can see, I have taken this as a background, this image. Now let's make it scale to frame size. And as you can see, I have taken this image, just double clicking on it and making it like this. As you can see, it is now like this. Now to make shapes, as you can see this tool here, rectangle tool, just long press on it, and as you can see there are three kind of tools here. The first one is rectangle tool. Let's just take it and just do it from your mouse like this, and after making it shape like this, you can see there is a shape 01 which is in effect controls. Just click on this arrow to expand it, and you can just change it, like change the color like this. And as you can see also stroke, also click on this and you can change the stroke by clicking here, any color you want, just like blue. You can change the stroke like this. You can also take other shapes as well, just like click here and click on polygon tool, make a polygon tool like this. You can make a dozen of them if you want. You can make another one just like this one, the round shape tool. You can take it here, you can change it, like changing the color. Click on OK, change the stroke like this. You can do any kind of shape by this. So guys, that's how you can add shapes in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.